Vybz Kartel right now, dog, me think a time for him retire.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah,
Retire, bro.
Yeah.
In Germany, your
You're a
performance.
vendetta sheep. You're a vendetta sheep. Watch this now. Tell me this. Kartel sell out the Barclays 2 nights in a row. Wait, me just show you something. Kartel sell out Miami.
Alright, so I'm sell out.
Relax now. So if a man neither do not know where up to par and at work, why would the shows them sell out? If him did sound so awful, if he couldn't perform, why people still a show up?
Did you see?
Sorry for him, made him a show up?
Dog, him already have a fan base.
That nice, man.
Him fan base is already there, so we can't deny that.
I want to
listen to what me answer tricks. Vybz Kartel for him come from prison, dog. The song them where Vybz Kartel sing right now, dog. Them not have no substance in it.
What you like, so man?
Bro, which song are one good song so far? Me hear the man sing.
And
God is the greatest. Apart from that,
one to the comet is coming. The comet
no, that no energy.
What a man, wicked man.
That no have nothing there.